Mr. Narendra Modi on Friday addressed the nation from the ramparts of historic Red Fort for the 12th consecutive time on the occasion of 79th Independence Day. The celebration began with Prime Minister Narendra Modi paying floral tribute to Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat. After receiving the Guard of Honor upon his arrival, Prime Minister Modi hosted the flag. The theme of this year is Naya Bharat, reflecting the vision of achieving Viksit Bharat by 2047. Wishing everyone a very happy Independence Day. May this day inspire us to keep working even harder to realize the dreams of our freedom fighters and build a Viksit Bharat. The great festival of freedom is a festival of 140 crore resolution, Prime Minister said from the ramparts of Red Fort, adding that it is a festival of hope and aspiration. Whether it is the desert or peaks of the Himalayas, the shores of the ocean or the bustling cities, there is one voice across the nation. We all love India more than our lives, said Prime Minister Modi from the rampart of historic Red Fort. For 75 years, contribution of India has been showing us the path like a lighthouse. I salute our brave soldiers who punish masters of terror beyond their imagination. India has decided that it will not tolerate nuclear threats anymore. We won't fall for any blackmail. Destruction inflicted by our armed forces in Pakistan was so widespread. New revelations are being made every day. After April 22, we gave armed forces a free hand to respond to terrorists. India has now decided blood and water will not flow together. The people have come to realize that the Indus Water Treaty is unjust. Water from the Indus river system has been irrigating the lands of the enemy while our own farmers have suffered. India is now focusing actively on nuclear energy. We have taken significant steps in this direction with 10 new nuclear reactors currently operational. By the time India celebrates 100 years of independence, we aim to increase our nuclear energy capacity tenfold. India today is building a modern ecosystem across every sector. I appeal to the youth and to every department of the government. We must strive to produce made in India jet engines for our fighter aircraft. We are known as the pharmacy of the world, but isn't it the need of our to invest more in research and development? Our group captain Subhanshu Shukla has returned from the space station, a moment of great pride for the nation. India is actively working on the Gaganyaan mission and is also planning its own space station. We must come together to change our destiny of the nation. I appeal to the youth, step forward and contribute to this mission of national transformation. The World Value Quality MP want to strengthen India's image in the global market. We must focus on producing high quality products. Our independence comes through immense sacrifice. Remember those years when an entire nation lived and struggled for the freedom. Their dedication gave us freedom. Today our mantra should be a prosperous India. If we contribute to be vocal for local, we will achieve prosperity. I am going to give a great gift on Diwali. In last 8 years, we did a big reform in GST. Tax was simplified. Now it is the demand of the time to make a review. We will also talk to states. We are bringing next generation GST reform. It will be a gift on Diwali. Tax on common individual requirements services would be reduced significantly. MSMEs would benefit. It will also help the economy. I also have a good news for the youth of our country. Today on the 15th August, we are launching a landmark scheme worth ₹1 lakh crore, the Pradhan Mantri Viksit Bharat Yojana. Under this scheme, the government will provide ₹50,000 as support to individuals who secure their first job in the private sector. This initiative is expected to generate 3.5 crore job opportunities across the nation. The world is confident of India's economy. We are a ray of hope amidst the global instability. Inflation is under control. Last decade was of reform, perform and transform. Now we have to focus on greater goals. I also salute the dedication of RSS volunteers in serving nation. over past 100 years. India is proud of RSS 100 years of dedication towards country. It is the biggest NGO in the world. Thank you.